Hi everyone, another day and another word from God. Thank you for joining me in this Bible reading series, The Parables of Jesus. And today we are reading in Mark 13, verse 32 to 37. It says here, "But about that day or hour no one knows, not even the angels in heaven nor the Son, but only the Father. Be on guard, be alert. You do not know when the time will come. It's like a man going away. He leaves his house and puts his servants in charge, each with their assigned task, and tells the one at the door to keep watch. Therefore keep watch, because you do not know when the owner of the house will come back, whether in the evening or at midnight, or when the rooster crows, or at dawn. If he comes suddenly, do not let him find you sleeping. What I say to you, I say to everyone, watch." Thanks everyone for listening. God bless.